In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze or fix table headers in Confluence. Freezing your table headers keeps column titles visible as you scroll through long tables, so you never lose context. We'll do this with Confluence's built-in header row option. No code, no add-ons. Start by opening your page in Confluence and switching to edit mode. Click where you want the table to appear. If you're adding a new table, type a / and the word table. To bring up the quick insert menu, then choose table. Confluence will drop in a basic grid you can resize later by adding or deleting rows and columns. Click inside the table to reveal the table toolbar. Open table options. Depending on your editor, this may be under a 3-dot more menu or a small table icon. Either way, you're looking for the option named header row. Make sure header row is turned on. It's usually enabled by default on new tables, but if it's off, the table won't have a defined header and the top row won't stick while you scroll. With header row enabled, the first row gets a distinct style. Now type your column headings into that top row. You'll see them appear in bold, which is Confluence's way of marking this row as the header. That visual change isn't just formatting, it tells Confluence exactly which row should remain visible, so readers can match data to the right column at any point. If you're working with an existing table, the process is the same. Click inside it, open table options, and turn on header row. If you already had headings in the first row, they'll become the header automatically. If a different row is highlighted, move your headings into the very top row, then keep header row enabled. To confirm it's working, add enough rows so the table is taller than the screen. Use preview or publish, then scroll within the page. The header should stay pinned at the top of the table region. If it doesn't, make sure you selected the table before opening table options and double check that header row is enabled. A few quick tips to finish. Keep header titles concise so they don't wrap awkwardly. Adjust column widths by dragging the cell borders in edit mode. And if you want clearer row labels, you can also enable a header column, though the sticky behavior comes from the header row. That's all you need. With header row turned on and your headings in place, your Confluence tables will stay readable and professional even when they're packed with data.